What did you get? What are those, Ray?
Noodles.
Do you like noodles?
Yes. Open. Open it.
Can I help you?
Open, here. Let Daddy open because I'm playing camera lady.
Oh, more noodles.
Oh my goodness. Ray, did you get some noodles?
I did. Are you getting my noodles? Yes. This is my prayer phone.
What is that?
Hold on, just take one at a time.
And Mommy?
Yeah, look.
Is that your walkie-talkie?
No, it isn't. It's my phone.
Wow.
Avi, what do you have there?
I have like a phone.
Yeah, but what does Avi have?
She has them.
What do you have on?
Well, hold on, because I think
Wait,
that...
hey, Mommy. Whoa.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Hey, what's this one?
Daddy, do you want another one, Ray?
Yes.
I think...
Oh, that's for you, look.
That's for
Here we-
me.
Wow. And this one. Oh,
Hey,
here, just move back a little bit, Ray. Come on.
hey, what's this?
Yeah, no, yeah, good.
Gravy.
No, that's for
Well,
you.
I don't know, open it.
No, that says you.
Hey, it's not for me.
Oh, it is for you. Oh, wow.
What is that?
What's
That's
that?
not for me.
Let's see. What's that?
It's not for me.
Yes, hang on, let's see. Let's see.
That's not for me. It's all. Hey, Mommy, what's this one?
I don't know, you're going to have
What's
to
this,
open
honey?
it. What is that? Oh, do you know what that's for?
What's that from? Honey?
That's for hot water bottles,
Oh, wow.
to keep everybody warm.
And this one. Oh, wow.
What's this?
That's what this is. What is it?
Oh my goodness. What's this?
Oh,
hat.
it's a hat.
And what does it say?
Wow.
I love it.
The doves. It's the doves.
Yay.
Hey, I want one Daddy's present.
Okay, but that's Daddy's,
Oh.
right? So whatever's in it, Daddy gets.
And then will I open your present? Let's see what Daddy has.
I think we found the official
Hey,
present
let's see
opener
what
of the
your
family.
present says.
Yeah.
Let's see what it says.
Maybe just happiness with airport horse.
Yeah.
Isn't she?
She's got a bag of cookies. She's fine. Avi, can you say thank you? Avi, say thank you.
And you saw your books, Avi, didn't you? What else did you get? Look.
Did you know what you got?
Oh, sockies again. Let's see.
Oh wait, there's a card.
Oh,
We didn't
Avi.
read. Avi, you didn't read the card. You're supposed to read the card first, you monkey.
Avi, hang on.
Ray, hang on 1 second so we can read Avi's
Hang on.
card, okay?
Avi,
Avi, you have to read the card, honey.
come here, look. Here's your card.
Oh, thanks, honey.